Hello and welcome to the 100-Year Life. If you're over 65 and your knees feel stiff or painful, you are not alone. Many seniors deal with joint pain every day. But did you know certain fruits and vegetables can actually help reduce inflammation and protect your knees? Let's look at 10 healthy options that are easy to add to your meals and good for your knees. First, broccoli. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, a plant chemical that helps slow joint damage and fight inflammation. It also supports cartilage health. That means less stiffness and more flexibility. Steam it lightly or stir-fry it with garlic and olive oil. Try not to overcook this, keeps the nutrients strong. Second, spinach. Spinach is full of vitamin K, magnesium, and antioxidants. These nutrients strengthen bones and help reduce swelling around the knees. You can eat spinach raw in salads or saute it gently with a little olive oil. It's great in soups too. Third, carrots. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which supports joint lubrication and protects cells from damage. They also help reduce inflammation in the body. Roast them in the oven with a bit of honey or eat them raw for a healthy crunch. Fourth, tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known to reduce joint inflammation. Cooked tomatoes may offer even more benefits than raw ones. Add them to soups, sauces, or enjoy a fresh tomato salad with basil and a drizzle of olive oil. Fifth, blueberries. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, natural compounds that give them their deep color, and strong anti-inflammatory power. They help reduce joint pain and protect tissues. You can enjoy blueberries in yogurt, smoothies, or just by the handful. Sixth, cherries. Especially tart cherries are well known for reducing inflammation and muscle soreness. They may also lower the risk of flare-ups in people with arthritis or gout. Drink tart cherry juice or eat dried cherries as a snack. Seventh, bell peppers. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen. Collagen keeps your joints cushioned and flexible. Eat them raw in salads or stir-fry them with your favorite vegetables. Eighth, avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, which support joint lubrication and reduce pain. They also contain vitamin E, which protects joint tissues from wear and tear. Mash them on toast, blend them into smoothies, or add slices to your salad. Ninth, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are full of beta-carotene and fiber. They help lower inflammation and support bone health. Bake them in the oven or steam and mash them with cinnamon for a warm side dish. 10th, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are small but powerful. They contain vitamin K and sulforaphane, both excellent for joint protection and bone strength. Try roasting them with olive oil and a bit of garlic until they're golden and crispy. You don't need expensive pills to protect your knees. Just include the right fruits and vegetables every day. These foods are natural, healing, and delicious. Take care of your joints, and they'll take care of you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the 100-Year Life. We're here to help you live longer, stronger, and healthier.